Hey Glam Fam, today I will be doing another inspired look by one of my YouTube favorites. I will put their name in the description box below. And do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys at the end of the video.
Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
really enjoy doing this. I really love this blue and this like spring candy rainbow look. I was inspired by Bmarie, and I will put her if I can find her link, I'll put her link in the description box below. Half of you probably already know her. If you don't, get on board, baby, because she is bum.com. okay? Her blending techniques, all of that, just go follow her, okay? But anyway, well, go subscribe to her page. But anyway, this is the final look, and bam. Now this is my first time doing 2 different liners, so I tried my best. I did it so I couldn't do it anymore, and I didn't want to mess it up, because I had kind of went, like, I had to keep going back and forth, but I didn't want to just mess it up to where I have to take the whole makeup look off. Then I would have been upset. So this is what I came up with. Put me some earrings on, and I got a little black dress on, which is, you guys can't see it, but there you go. But do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys like the video. And the little, hold on, y'all, the little rhinestones, or whatever you call them, this is what I use. I have one container with just silver, and another container with different colors: blue, pink, gold, green, and red, and another pink. It's like a dark pink, light pink. So yeah, but I really like these. And what I use to stick them with is this glue. That's fine. So comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys later.